Today we'll talk about how can you log out of your account on your Audiomack app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you go here above your photo profile, just click on it here. We just click on photo profile, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Just go down here, you keep going down. When here log out, it's going to show for you like this. So you just click on it here, and automatically it's going to take you out of your account on your Audiomack app. So that's all you have to do to log out of your account. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.